In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MFC42.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL. Just put download. Hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download button corresponding to the system type or the architecture of your Windows and simply wait for this to be downloaded. That will appear from here. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon and wait for this to load. Then right click on the folder, select extract all and click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click on the select copy. Then go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System32 folder, double click. Then right click and then select paste. Now once done, close everything. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser again. Search for Visual C++ or distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the Visual C++ to your Windows 11. You can also consider to reinstall the program that is giving you the error. So click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on apps. Click on installed apps. Locate the application or program that is giving you the error. Click on the three dots and select uninstall and simply reinstall it into your Windows 11. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.